So, Dr. Dikshit, I'd like to just clarify that ethics and communication skills have been added in the recent curriculum. So, Medical Council of India and National Medical Commission have done an extensive work on revising the curriculum for MBBS students, and now ethics, communication skills, computer knowledge, all these have been added to the curriculum. So this modified curriculum will make our young doctors face the patients, face the attendants much more confidently. And one more point which I wanted to tell you, apart from your clinical diagnosis, clinical skills, complete examination of the patient, is documentation. It is very important to document all the details of the patients, whether you are a postgraduate, whether you are an undergraduate, whether you are a consultant, because ultimately that is going to help you. Tomorrow you want to study the disease and see how it is behaving and the response to treatment, the complications, or you want to publish some papers, present in a conference, or in the worst scenario, when a case is filed against you, you only have those papers to support you. So documentation is very, very important. And one more thing which our teachers have taught you and which one should realize, particularly in the Hippocratic Oath itself, it is mentioned, don't do any harm to the patient. So that is, we should know what to do and what not to do. So what not to do in life is more important than knowing what to do. So if we know what not to do, definitely will not do any harm to any patient. So make a decision, have a goal, work towards your goal,